How to fix Facebook autoclose problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook autoclose problem on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down here until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type here wait, where is it? Just type here Facebook, and here we'll find it now. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here. If you want to enable something here, just click on it and click allow, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to storage, and here you need to clear data. But if you clear Facebook data, then you will need to log in again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.